Amid the chaos of battle, wounded sailors were brought below deck to the sick bay, where they received treatment by the naval surgeon on board. Naval surgeons carried kits with them filled with the best surgical tools of the era. Kits like this one were filled with knives, probes, and saws. The injured, carried down by their shipmates into the cockpit or other suitable operating areas, often waited in darkness for surgeons to attend to their wounds. The medical staff worked as quickly as possible. Up to their elbows in blood, they tirelessly dressed minor wounds and performed capital amputations and other surgical operations, with varying degrees of success. Many of the wounded submitted to the knife and saw without the benefit of anesthesia or anesthetics. The events left lasting physical and psychological wounds.
My name is HM1 Hospital Corpsman First Class Eric Garneau. I've been in the Navy 14 years now. I've been a corpsman for my entire 14 years. I'm an independent duty corpsman, which means I can serve independently without the supervision of a physician supervisor directly here at the command. I'm stationed here at USS Constitution as the sole medical provider for almost up to 90 sailors. I am their first line for any medical diagnosis and treatment of any illness, injury that they could come across. I've been on board the USS Constitution for almost 3 years now, and I've been the only healthcare provider here. So over my 14 years, I've had a varied career. My previous duty station prior to coming here to Boston, I was actually independent duty corpsman out of SEAL Team 5 in Coronado, California. So I was the sole medical provider for an entire SEAL troop. So wherever we traveled in the world, I was their sole healthcare provider. We were in some countries without adequate medical care, and all they had was me and the supplies, medicines, etc., that I brought with me on deployment. Prior to that, I have served on a couple of ships in the Navy, the USS Kearsarge and the USS Baton. I've served at a few naval hospitals. I was an anesthesia technician when I first came in, so I've had a varied career throughout my Navy.